Yo, what's good? J Money 2010, October 29th, 2000 and 2011, man. Look at this. It's freaking snowing outside, man. Junk is crazy. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh, New York City, by the way. Oh, John. That is crazy. Like the freaking lines are like, the telephone lines are getting like all freaking, it's a mixture of freaking snow and sleet or rain or whatever. See, look at the water. Look at the water right there. Just like crazy. Anyways, man, just wanted to show you guys that, yo. J Money 2010. And I'm out. Nonsense is definitely good sense.